Hello!
Hello!
What's up, everybody? It's Monday night, and we are here at Taiko practice again. Ashley, back up. Okay. And here, come on down, so we can see you. So, yeah, been going okay. Just Ashley finished up some of her homework, did some Taiko, and then did some homework again, looked at some Pokemon stuff, and then we're gonna play on the drum. So just teaching Ashley a new rhythm today. I'm teaching her the Rhythm-Uchi 3 and looping it with the uchi-dashi. Okay, so she's getting good. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, all right. So let's get to the drum. Here we go. Okay, so uchi-dashi and Rhythm-Uchi 3 times. Okay? Alright, ready? So, okay, ready? Here we go. Hands up! Okay, we did it! High five, Ashley! Ow! Okay, all right, so she's doing great. Like I said last week, we are debuting Ashley at her first Kiriko Matsuri in Wajima this summer. Be there or be square. Sorry, this is bad on you. But yeah, what are you doing? Anyways, but yeah. So we're looking forward to that, and we will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye, B.